Alright, let's get right into it. Imagine this. I take just one simple prompt, drop it into 5 different AI tools and see what happens. The results? Honestly, they shocked me. Let's count them down. Number 5, the visual prodigy. I typed in, a futuristic city at sunset. Boom, MidJourney spits out this mind-blowing digital painting. The colors, almost too perfect. The reflections, unreal. And the insane part, it's all original. No two outputs were the same, even when I tweaked just a single word. MidJourney takes your words and goes full-on Picasso every single time. Number 4, the code whisperer. Next up, I gave ChatGPT the same prompt, but told it to turn the idea into a website. Seconds later, I had HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript for a landing page themed around a futuristic city. I literally copied, pasted, and had a working prototype. It's like having a superpowered developer on speed dial. Number 3, the sound designer. I wanted to see if a prompt could make music, so I used Suno. I asked for ambient synth music for a futuristic city at sunset. Suno generated an actual song, intro, melody, the works. No more endless searching for background tracks, the AI just invents what you need. Number 2, the voice crafter. Okay, let's get wild. I put my prompt into ElevenLabs and suddenly I've got a narrating voice describing the city, full of cinematic energy. It's eerie how natural AI voices are getting. You want epic, calm, or dramatic? Just tweak the settings. It's like AI is auditioning to be the next Morgan Freeman. And finally, number 1, the video magician. Last stop, Pika Labs. The same prompt, and now I've got stock video footage drones flying over neon skylines, bustling futuristic streets, the whole vibe. In minutes, I went from text to full-on cinematic B-roll. I'm not even kidding, this would have taken days before. So one prompt, 5 AI tools, 5 totally different outputs, art, code, music, voice, and video. And it's all getting faster, smarter, and honestly a bit scary. The creative process, it's changing. If you've ever wondered how much AI can do with just a sentence, well, now you know. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts below. If you want more wild AI experiments, hit subscribe because I'm just getting started. Catch you in the next one.